In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new promo and then send it to your mailing list. First of all, you'll need to log into mailer.promo.ly if you're a customer. If you're brand new to this, you'll need to head to our website and start a free trial and then start testing it out. Once logged in, click on Create New Campaign. For this video, I'm just going to concentrate on the promo, which is deliverable via email. So I need to give it a name. And Promly will create a new promo card, and then you need to click on Edit. If you're used to sending emails, this should be very familiar to you. Remember, we can send these via email, so we need a subject line. And it's got to be something, catchy. Call this one Catchy New Promo. We give it a score. So this one scores 86% out of 100. Remember, with email marketing, the hardest part is getting someone to open your email. Once it's open, the rest of it should follow suit. So the more clicks you can get in the inbox, the more people will play your music. You need to upload some music here. So I'm going to add a track and I'm going to upload audio. I'm going to choose an MP3 for today. And I'll choose this file here and Promly will upload it. There we go. So that's uploaded. I need to give it a track artist name and track title. As you notice, I haven't got any metadata in this file. It's just called promly.mp3. So I'm going to call this one Pete. Track title is New Tune. I've got the track. I've got the track title. Included files as an MP3, and that's it. I'm happy with that. We can bulk upload more and we can add more music, but I'll just keep it for this video. Here we've got press release information. So you can add in whatever you like for that. So I'm just going to go to our website here. I'm going to copy and paste some text. This will do. You can add in whatever press release information here, multiple paragraphs or just a single line and paragraph like I've done. We need to set a release date. My release is going to come out on the 20th of this month. We need to choose the brand which Promly is going to send from. So it's coming from me, which is Promly. And you can see here it's changed the sender name to petepromo.ly. Catalog number 001 or whatever your catalog number is. And the genre, we'll choose breakcore for today. You can change the button text and color. So we'll just call this one Tune. And we'll choose the color of yellow. So when someone opens my email, they'll see this. Take control over your marketing, and then they'll click on Tune, and then they can download the music. I can enable reminders. What happens is if I send you a promo campaign and you don't check it, 4 days later, Promly will automatically follow up from me to you, and it will just let you know that you've got a new promo and you haven't checked it out. We've got require feedback, which means when someone clicks through to your promo landing page, before they can download the music, do you want them to leave you a comment, yes or no? If it's turned on yes, like this with the orange lit, then they must leave some feedback before they can download and have access to your music. And you can turn off downloads if you just want to send out a stream, you can do that. Or if you want downloadable music, you can do that too. We need to upload some artwork, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that now. So I've uploaded that, and I'm going to use this image. You can see here, it's all starting to turn out quite well. I'm going to view the landing page I've just created. You can see here, I've got my artwork. I've got the brand it's coming from. I've got breakcore the genre. I've got my release date, which is the 20th of October, and the catalog number, which is 001. I've got the new promo name, which is this, and it displays here, and it's from me. And we've got take control of your email marketing, and they can download a zip, download the image. They've got my music here, which they can play, and we generate a waveform at the bottom. Screen share does lag my computer, so you can see here, so any recipient can scrub through. And this is what I was talking about with the forced feedback on or off. So at the moment, to download the music, my recipients must leave me some comments. This, and they can give it a rating. And when they press save, downloads will be enabled. But you can turn that off, you see. So if we press save and turn it off, and then we refresh, the comment box has disappeared and your recipient are free to download the music without doing anything else. So it really depends on your style of marketing. So that campaign is ready to send now. To send it, I need to go back to the menu and I can press send here. I'm going to send it to myself. So I'm going to choose my email address here. And I'm going to just double check to make sure everything else is correct, which it is. And I'm going to send. Firmly will tell me what's going on. So you can see here it's from me. It's from my email address. I've got my subject line, which is correct. I've chosen one recipient. I've turned off feedback, so it says false. Enable reminders, I've turned off. I've got the description here, so take control of your audio marketing. The release date is the 20th of the 10th. And the schedule for the email is send immediately. So I'm going to press submit. And that's it. The campaign has been sent and it will be in my sent queue. See here, my campaign called New Name is going to recipient Pete@Promally. I sent it on the 18th of October, which is today, and I sent it at 1:34 p.m. and the current status is pending. In a few moments, this will change to queued, which means that we've got it lined up in our system, ready to go. And then once it's sent, it will change the status to sent like this. If you've got any comments or feedback, or if you need some support, drop me a comment below in the video, or you can reach out via support, which is here, click on our face, or you can reach out to me at pete@promo.ly.